Dear students, today we are discuss measures of dispersions. The topic is mean deviation by median, mode and mean. So dear students, first of all we are discuss what is the meaning of mean deviation. So dear students, mean deviation is the deviation taken by the mean, mode, median of a series is called mean deviation. Clear? Now we are discuss mean deviation. So dear students, first of all we are discuss what is the meaning of mean deviation. So we know that guys, the mean deviation is the deviation taken by mean, mode, median in a series is called mean deviation. Dear students, we will find out mean deviation under individual, discrete or continuous series with the help of median, mean and mode. So today we will discuss mean deviation under individual series with the help of median. Clear? So dear students, in this the first of all we will find out median with the help of the series, and after that we will take the deviation with the help of median and we will apply the formula and then question will be solved out. Clear beta? See, mean deviation. Mean deviation is the arithmetic average of deviation of all the values taken from a statistical average, mean, median, mode of series. In taking deviation of values positive and negative are not taken into consideration. Negative deviation are also treated as positive deviation. So dear students, when we will find out mean deviation, then all the deviation we will consider in the positive form. Clear? Mean deviation by median we will find out with the help of three series: individual, discrete or continuous series. So the formula of mean deviation under individual series: mean deviation median is equal to summation d bar dm d bar divided by n, and coefficient of mean deviation median is equal to mean deviation median divided by median under individual series. So dear students, what is the recognition of individual series? So my dear students, we know that when in the question is given only item, so the question goes your individual series. For example, that's your item is given 42, 40, 47, 45, 51, 50, 54, 57 or 55. That's your item is given. So only item is given, the question goes your individual series. Under these series, dear students, first of all we will give the serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So the total number of item is equal to 9. After that, the all item arrange in order, ascending or descending. So that's your 40, 42, 45, 47, 50, 51, 54, 55 or 57. Clear? See the all item arranged in order, ascending or descending. After that you will apply the formula median. We will find out mean deviation median is equal to summation d bar dm d bar divided by n. So my dear students, first of all we will find out median. So the formula of median under individual series, m is equal to size of n plus 1 divided by truth item. So m is equal to size of n, 9 plus 1 divided by truth item. So m is equal to size of 10 by truth item. So m is equal to size of fifth item. So fifth item in the series is 50. M is equal to 50. After that we will take deviation. Deba dm deba. The formula x minus m. X, that's your item. So 40 minus 50 is equal to 10. All item you will consider in positive. 42 minus 50 is equal to 8. 45 minus 50 is equal to 5. 47 minus 50 is equal to 3. 50 minus 50 is equal to 0. 51 minus 50 is equal to 1. 54 minus 50 is equal to 4. 55 minus 50 is equal to 5. 57 minus 50 is equal to 7. That's your deba dm deba x minus m. M, that's your median, 50. Clear? So dear students, you will consider the whole item in positive. Clear? After that you will added summation deba dm deba deba dm बंद करते हैं इसे। Summation deba dm deba is equal to 10, 8, 18, 18 और 5, 23, 3, 26, 27, 31, 5, 36 और 7, 43. So that's your 43. Clear? And 9. After that we will find out mean deviation median. The formula summation deba dm deba divided by n equal to 43 divided by n 9. So mean deviation median is equal to 4.78. That's your answer. You will also find out coefficient of mean deviation by median. So the formula mean deviation median divided by median. So mean deviation median, that's your 4.78 and median, that's your 50. So it will be equal to 0.096. That's your coefficient of mean deviation median. Answer. Clear beta? See once again. Today we are discuss mean deviation. What is mean deviation, guys? We know that deviation taken by the arithmetic mean, median and mode in a statistical series is called mean deviation. Dear students, mean deviation we will find out with the help of mean, median and mode. First of all, we are discuss mean deviation under median. So we will find out mean deviation median under individual, discrete or continuous series. So first of all, we are discuss individual series. The recognition of individual series under these series given is only item, and the formula of the mean deviation of median is equal to summation d bar dm d bar divided by n, and coefficient of mean deviation median is equal to mean deviation median divided by median. So dear students, that's your item is given. The first of all, we will give the serial number of, that's your total number of item 9. After that, all item arrange in ascending or descending order. After that, we will find out, we will apply the formula mean deviation median is equal to summation d bar dm d bar divided by n. So we have the requirement of here is median. So first of all, we will find out median under individual series. So the formula of median m is equal to size of n plus 1 divided by truth item. M is equal to size of n number of item, that's your 9. So 9 plus 1 divided by truth item. M is equal to size of 10 by truth item. M is equal to size of fifth item. You will check fifth item. That's your fifth item in order is 50. That's your median. After that, you will find out d bar dm d bar, the formula x minus m. X, that's your item, and median. M median. 40 minus 50, 10. 42 minus 50, 8. That you will apply all the deviation in positive form. Clear? 45 minus 50, 5. 47 minus 50, 3. 50 minus 50, 0. 51 minus 50, 1. 54 minus 54, 55 minus 55, 57 minus 57. That's your all items considered in positive form, and the summation of d bar dm d bar is equal to 8, 10, 8, 18, 18, 5, 23, 3, 26, 1, 27, 4, 31, 5, 36, 7, 43. So you will apply the formula mean deviation median is equal to summation d bar dm d bar, that's your summation d bar dm d bar 43. You will apply here n number of item 9 here, and you will divide it, that's your answer 4.78. Clear? After that, you will find out coefficient of mean deviation median. So the formula mean deviation median is equal to divided by median. So mean deviation median, that's your 4.78, and divided by median, that's your 50, and 4.78 divided by 50 will be equal to 0.096. that's answer, coefficient of mean deviation median. Clear beta? Clear? If you have any doubt, then you can contact me. I will send you some questions, and you will solve the all questions on your fair copies with the help of mean deviation. See guys, that's your find mean deviation by median and coefficient of mean deviation by median. So that's your item is given. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. In the whole question, you will find out first one mean deviation by median, and next one is coefficient of mean deviation by median. Clear? And all the questions solved out on your fair copies. Thank you very much beta.